Hi everyone, this is Sushmita and you're watching me on Sushmita's Diaries. Kapoor, also known as camphor, is widely used in Ayurveda for various health and medicinal purposes. In my previous videos, I have talked about how effective camphor oil is for controlling problems like dandruff, scalp infection, hair lice, etc. Since camphor is a natural ingredient, it is absolutely safe to be used by everyone, including little children. Camphor also stimulates the hair follicles and trigger new hair growth if used regularly in your hair care routine. However, the camphor oil which is usually available in the market has a few preservatives and chemicals which might not be safe to be used in the longer run. So today I'm going to show you a 2-minute method to make your own 100% natural Kapoor ka tel or camphor oil with just two basic ingredients. And usually these two ingredients are easily available in most households. As our first ingredient, we are going to need Bhimseni Kapoor, and here it is crucial to understand that why only Bhimseni Kapoor variety must be used and not the regular Kapoor. Usually Kapoor is sourced from a plant. The Bhimseni Kapoor happens to be the original variety and it is fit for consumption and suitable for medicinal usages. The other variety of camphors which are usually used for puja purposes are mainly made out of chemicals in lab and are not naturally sourced from plants. It is thus extremely important to choose only Bhimseni Kapoor if you are using it for making a hair oil. So I usually pick my original Bhimseni Kapoor from trusted stores while traveling to Ujjain or Kashi. Now our ingredient number 2 is pure coconut oil. Coconut oil is the best medium to be used for preparing infusion oils. This is mainly because its composition is such that it easily assimilates fellow ingredients into its own atomic structure. So pouring all the oil into a deep container like so. As the next step, we will do the double boiling method, and for that I have boiled some water in a large pan. I had brought this water to a rolling boil. Now I'm going to place this bowl full of coconut oil over this boiling water. You can even keep the water boiling over the flame while placing the oil over it. Now it is important for you to decide that how strong do you want your DIY camphor oil to be. If preparing for intense hair concerns like chronic head lice or severe dandruff, you can keep the oil a little on the stronger side, but since I'm making it for my everyday routine usage and also for my little one, I'm going to keep it on the milder side. So I'm going to add just a cube of camphor into the oil. If you wish to make the oil a little stronger, then you can always go ahead and add 2 cubes. The camphor can also be crushed into a fine powder and then mixed into the oil, so it gets dissolved very quickly. Over the hot water, the coconut oil gets warm and dissolves the camphor within a few seconds. Now we just have to leave it for infusion for say 10 to 20 minutes or till the oil cools down to room temperature. So here we have the DIY camphor oil which is 100% natural and free of preservative ready here, and for storage use a clean container which is dry and free of moisture. Transfer this DIY camphor oil into this container. You can use this twice a week for controlling dandruff, head lice, scalp itching, etc., and also for promoting new hair growth. Just keep it away from direct sunlight and moisture and it will remain good for months and months. So guys, this was a very simple DIY which you really need to try for healthy and ever growing hair. Also, please check out my other hair care videos on this channel and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you all very soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.